Damn it! Yan na ba?
And what to me? 1, 2, 3.
Stop. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Brent.
My name is Lizelle, guys, and
welcome
welcome
back
back
to
to
our
our
channel.
channel.
So, for today's video, guys, what are you staring at? Oh, this?
What did you do? Why you wear lots of headbands?
Gee, I don't know why. If you wanna know why I'm wearing this, go to the first video that we uploaded today.
Okay, guys.
So anyways, we are going to react to the video of Vidyut Jammwal. Yeah, so
Yes.
this is Vidyut Jammwal's
Kalari
Kalari
Chalanam, the movement of animals.
That's right. Because this has been recommended by you guys, and also it's Wednesday. It's about cultural and history stuff here on our channel.
So, guys, and before that, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell. And if you have any suggestions, just comment down below. So, guys, without further ado, guys, let's get started. Is it? Oh, he's trapped.
Wow. Wow.
Welcome to Vidyut's Kalari Chalanam. To learn animal chalanam or movement, you don't need a book of rules. Have you ever seen a bird use a flight manual? Find any animal that you can relate to. It could be a
I think he's,
butterfly, an
animal
ant,
enthusiast.
a bee, a dog. Form a relate.
Enthusiast. Go ahead.
Enthusiast.
What? Again.
Is it all? Again.
Enthusiast.
Enthusiast.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's part of Peter.
Yes, and
Relationship, build trust with it, gain the respect. Just like a child learns from aping and not copying, Vidyut Kalari starts with observation.
is he doing movement of the animals?
I think it's a movement for animals.
Animals.
Probably.
So elephant, you do oh. Okay, so that's a movement of elephant. I think this is kind of a martial arts movement.
Hold on, what?
Martial arts movement.
How do you say that's martial arts?
Because it's something like
Can it be just like a sort of interpretative dance?
something like that.
Martial
But
arts.
these movements is kind of elephant movement. That's my observation. So don't.
Okay.
Oh, this. Oh, monitor lizard.
That's an interpretative dance, I think.
Okay. Oh my gosh! Look at that. Oh, he moved like a lizard. Snake. Jackie Chan can do that.
Okay, now that's a bit like
I
martial
really
arts.
like I really like his hand movements because it's so
Snake-like.
no. Kasi it's so soft. Oh,
So
scorpion. Smooth movement. Scorpion.
Ah, yeah. You see the leg going up,
Yeah.
so you find the tail.
monkey. Is he hang the tree? Will he hang the tree? Oh, he hang.
Yep.
Wow.
Alright, so
Okay, I really like her flexible, his flexible body. He has a flexible body,
and can I just say the dude's buff?
and he can do.
I'm not gay or anything, but if we were in prison, hell yeah.
And oh my god, he can do all the movements of animals.
Now, I think
And
there's
I really like the most is the elephant and the snake. Wow. And also the scorpion. I really like that
I like
movement.
everything.
Yes. And
So what does Kalari Chalanam mean? Is this like a tribute to the animals or to wildlife itself? I mean, let us know,
Yes.
because we're seeing, or at least from what I'm observing, it's like an interpretative dance, which usually is done by because you want to pay tribute
tribute
to something that you want to give tribute to. So
I think this is tribute of the animals who
I think it's tribute to nature itself, or to the
or
animals
something like that.
themselves. And he just showed us how.
I think it shows that human are so what do you call it?
Flexible,
No,
versatile.
No.
What?
From a human to animals, it shows that humans
United?
are. Oh, forgot. I don't-
Say it in Bisaya. I'll go ahead.
Okay.
Just the one just the one word that you're trying to say.
Okay, paano siya kanang konektado ba?
Connected.
Yeah.
Connect.
Connected. It shows a human and animals are connected. Yes, that's why
That's a
I'm
good,
supposed to explain.
That's a good observation to it. I mean,
Yes.
yeah, it's very beautiful, and what can I say? I love how the first part of the video was like telling us, or
The
saying to us
cruelty.
that you should. I like his hashtag that he used, "Say no to animal cruelty," which we as a human race really does.
Is
Me.
he? Let me know, guys. Is he an actor? Because I think he's an actor.
Probably.
Something like that. So yes,
I love the although I love the message that stop animal cruelty. Animals are not ours to trap. Yeah, that is huge. That is a huge deal.
Yeah.
So anyways, guys, that was our reaction to Vidyut Jammwal's Kalari Chalanam. If you liked our reaction to it, or if you have any suggestions to it, please let us know. Hit that like button and also comment down on the comment section down below.
Yes, so thank you so much, guys, as always, and I'll see you to our next.
I can finally take this off now.
And thank you so much for watching all our videos, guys, and see you tomorrow. So we will be reacting about the food. Yes.
Yes,
so
we're gonna check out a lot of
please-
channels, either Mark Wines or Best
Mark
Food
what?
Ever. Mark Weens, sorry, Mark Weens. Best Food channel, Best Food Review channel
So
ever.
please, guys,
So, if you like those channels, let us know what you would like us to react to.
So please, guys, sending us a link about the foods, because
Yes,
recently,
we love foods.
because the last time we react about the food, oh my god, that video is not in India, it's a Bangladesh.
Yeah, so that was a clickbait. So yeah, we didn't know.
We
How did
didn't
we
know. So thank you so much for
If you have any
watching.
suggestions, just comment down.
Yeah, just give us a link, and please don't forget.
Please let
to-
it have captions.
And please don't forget to give the title also, because sometimes if we click the link, it couldn't find. Yeah, it's error. So Yes, so thank you once again,
The
guys.
title was 404 not found, so that's...
Yes, so thank you so much once again,
And
and
we'll see you next time.
babu, guys.
Take this off.